bother what you're thinking. Leave that on record spinning. You feel the rhythm going. Legs ain't got time to lay low. Your knees are bending, so it's time to get up and let go. Hey, how's it going? Can see your body moving. Don't leave the party dying. Keep pushing, you know your head has no right to say no. Tonight it's ready, set, go. Baby, can you move around the rhythm so we can get rhythm to the round? Get us a rock and roll down, 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 body, body, coming with a super hottie. Let's go, let's go. Baby, can you move around the rhythm 'cause you know we'll never get the last name. Speed up, it ain't no need. Just stand up on the things when I come up on the scene. Hey.
What's poppin', guys? It's your boy, Benny Boy, and today we're going to be doing a ramen cooking tutorial. This is Shin Ramyeon noodle soup, and it is spicy, like my memes. So, what you need is one of these things. You can be whatever the heck you want. You need 2 cups of water. Grab that real quick. Just keep it going. So let's keep it going because I'm in a pretty good mood right now. Put this in the pot. This is a half cup. You need 2, so I'm gonna get 3 more of these. We gotta keep the memes going. Keep the memes going. I'm gonna keep playing that music. Keep playing that music. All right, let's keep it going. I've been waiting too long for this. It's been 3 years since my comeback, and it's ridiculous. I said I was gonna come back sooner, but no. It's ridiculous. I mean, my last freaking video was a stupid Geometry Dash level thing. Like, I played it like a freaking loser. So anyways, you like this? Hi. Alright? Now we wait for this to boil, and I will be right back. Now we're back, and the water is boiling. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to carefully open up the lid. See here. Put the lid down. And now, this is where it gets good. Oh, nothing like artificial noodles. Fresh, American, Japanese styled noodles. Oh boy, it's gonna be a blast. So, you take these out of the bag, you take the little spices and stuff, and then take this. The main components of the dish. The noodles. So now, take said noodles and throw them in that baby and pour the rest of the contents of the noodles in there. I'm a ramen cooking master. Throw this out right here. Forget about it. So now, we're going to stir for a few minutes. And I got some sick jams to play for you.
I like to sing, dance, pretend.
Turn this up.
I like to have fun, 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 fun,
Ah!
Fuck you. Let's go over here. Just you and me.
Oh, yes.
I just wanted to say,
Can we do more kazoo?
you're my special friend.
You're my special friend as well. So, seems just about done. Rizzo, you dang doggo, I swear to God, I love you, but oh, this is getting really hot. This glove is getting, it's getting scorching. Christ almighty. I'm gonna take this off because I literally want death. I think we're good. Seems well. So, you turn the oven off. Now you put the soup base in here. Throw that soup base. Ooh, let's take a little taste. That's a little bit too much. Let's take a little taste of the soup base right here. That is hot. And I'm gonna be recording. Jesus Christ, it's so hot. And I'm gonna be recording myself eating this because I've never had spicy ramen before in my life. Like how I went from super tea to super, yeah, this is a really bad idea because it was. Okay. I think that's enough. I think everything's out of there. I really don't want to touch that soup base again. Alright, now we throw in, whatever the heck this is, the vegetable mix. Swear, this is gonna be, it's gonna be very hot. It's super hot. So now you mix it. And I already know my stomach's gonna like explode or something because that that smells so hot, Jesus Christ. Alright, so once I'm done mixing, I'll grab plates. You can do it in any format you want, but I prefer doing it in that's a dirty plate. Nice job, dishwasher. You really do a skill. So I do it like this. Now think I'm ready to pour the contents in. Alrighty. So I'm really nervous to eat this. I'm gonna get some milk because my mouth is gonna burn up. Just literally having a little piece of soup base is just gonna completely just burn my ass up, I swear. So, now you grab this and you pour it into the bowl. And you just throw it in your local dishwasher in a neighborhood near you, household, whatever the heck you want. So now, I will get my milk, I will get my spoon, and I will be right back. And I'm back, and I've gotten a new look just because I've heard this is very hot by many, and I'm nervous. I got my milk with me. I don't think it's gonna really help. This is what I do when I'm home alone. I do stupid stuff like this because, oh my god, that's, Okay, I'm not gonna take a big bite because God knows how hot this thing is, and I'm like this is my dinner. This is my freaking dinner, so I have to I basically have to eat this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. It is kind of hot. It's not bad, but at the same time, it's pretty hot. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, it is really good. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's in my throat. I'm hearing some vibrating noise. I don't know what that is. Alright, well. Yeah. So, I'm going to... Wasn't that bad. I mean, I'm going to take a couple more bites before I end the video. Alright, this is a bigger bite, so bear with me. It's a big bite. I'm probably gonna have to get another cup of milk, but yeah. So that was my cooking tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, it was probably a pretty crappy comeback after 3 years, but I don't know. I mean, if this gets more support, I'll make more videos, and hopefully it'll be better. So, auf Wiedersehen. I can't believe I just ate that entire. I can't believe I just ate that entire plate. Oh my god, that was. Oh, that was hot.